and it is the next video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I am going to be showing you how to create Instagram stories. Yeah, we're going to be going into it today. It's going to be really simple, really quick. That's what it's all about on this channel. Something that is not too difficult, something you can do in a few minutes and just get it over and done with, but still look just as good. So, to start, we are going to create a design that has our Instagram story dimensions, which is 180 by 1920 pixels. So just go ahead and click that and give it a second to load. Right now, once it has loaded, I am going to make the same template that you are seeing on my thumbnail. So I've already done it before. We're just going to do it again, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did that. So here we go. I'm just going to look. Oh, okay. So I had a bit of trouble, so we're gonna go ahead and add another page and use the same template that I used, and I'm gonna show you guys how I edited everything, how I used the color palette of the image, and just the text I changed around. I want to show you guys how easy this is. So to begin with, I'm going to keep the new post text here going on, and I am going to change the picture, the image. That way I can adapt a new color palette and we can move on from there. So I have already taken the initiative to get some pictures. I already had pictures, so yeah, this is just a template. I wanted to try it out first for myself and show you guys how easy it is. I am going to leave a link down below in the description with the website that I use to get really nice pictures. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drag this picture right here and put it in there. Wow, that looks really cool. I saw something there like that. That looks nice. You can choose to make it transparent, something like that. Not this one. The one in the background is the one that we want sort of transparent. That looks really nice. I am, however, going to change the color maybe. Let's just play around with it. That's the whole point, is to play around with it, have fun. I like that a lot. So we're going to go change that. That's the whole point of designing. You discover new things and it turns out to be great, and if it's not, we can always change it and switch it up. That's the whole point of Canva. It makes things really simple and you can learn as you go. Oh, I like that. So I think I'm gonna keep this one and put the tagline down there. I'm gonna delete that and say turn the lights on. Yes, yes, this looks so good. Of course, you can center it if you want. Go ahead and do that. Yeah, this looks really good. And just like that, we now have two versions. We have this one here and we have that one. Let me know which one you like best. This one, number one, or number two. I like number two, but let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial and you have a great day. Bye. Catch you later.